Sweating, no sweating, different parts of the body that you're sweating. What does it mean and what you can do about it? I'm Dr. Kara Alexander, Eastern medicine and nutrition specialist. Where you sweat, how you sweat, what it smells like, all says something about your body and some different choices that you can be making to help support it. It is speaking to you, right? And other people sometimes, okay? So sometimes when we have that stinky sweaty armpit, we are detoxifying for something and we are having and putting something in our body that our body may not necessarily like if you continue to have that one stinky pit. If it's just occasional, your body is detoxifying something, so it's totally normal. But if you're sweating all the time in your armpits or your hands or your face or your body or your chest, right? It relates to different organ systems. So typically, if you have sweaty armpits all the time, you're overworking your cardiovascular system. If you've got a sweaty chest up here from sleeping or from just if you're working out, it might be heat in the lungs or it might be a cardiovascular issue as well, right? If you're sweating in the groin or in between the legs, it has a lot to do with how your liver is functioning. With your back, it has a lot to do with what your fluids are like and if you're properly bringing in a certain amount of fluids. Your face has a lot to do with how your lungs are doing and your digestive system is doing. Over the lips has a lot to do with your liver. So where you sweat has a lot to do with where in your body you may have an imbalance. Reach out to me if you've got a sweating issue, which is no sweat or excessive sweat, and I'll help you figure it out. If you're telling me that you never smell and you never sweat, you might want to look at what antiperspirant you're using. It doesn't have aluminum in it, because if it has aluminum, it's blocking that sweat. You want to be sweating to help the detoxification process. Otherwise, you're going to start seeing some dysfunction in other areas. Thanks for stopping by.